Hey, what's up everybody? So today we're going to be installing these ARP bolts for my Fluidampr. As you guys can see, this is what we're going to install, and I want to give a shout out to Backwood Diesels. This is the guy that sent me this product right here. If you guys want to go check him out. One thing I did like about this guy was that he sent this out very quick. And it's been a while that he sent it, but I'm able to get to it today. So we're gonna go ahead and take out these old bolts that I have in my. So yeah, we're gonna remove these because from what I was told, that I guess since this is a bigger plate, it's gonna, I guess these can fall out or something like that, and the other bolts are a bit more stronger. So we're gonna go ahead and change them out, and I'll go ahead and probably set my camera down somewhere as I remove these right here, and my wife is gonna be holding the breaker bar underneath so that way this doesn't move while I try to remove these right here. So yeah, let's do that. So here's a comparison of both of them. I don't know if you guys can see it. And put the camera. Let me put them down. There you go. So we're gonna use, I think it's a 14 millimeter. It's like a star shape. So. This is calling for 90 foot-pounds on the instruction sheet. Well, there you have it, guys. Got them snugged inside there. Should take about like at least 30 minutes to do this. Man, it's hot outside. But yeah, let's see how this turns out. The other bolts I had inside there, the stock ones, they were snugged in there as well. But you know, you want to be safe. Want to make sure those bolts don't come out. And like I said, go check out Blackwood Diesel. This is his Instagram right here. I'll probably put it somewhere around over here so you guys can see it. I guess this is his truck. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I'll catch you guys on for the next video. Peace.